Hey guys, so do you want free ReelShort Coins? Well, today in this video, I will show you how to get free ReelShort Coins using a modded version. It's very simple. You do not have to be afraid anymore. There's a site where you can get rich. It's called zoomods.com. Alright, so I'm on the site, and we're seeing all the modded apps. So I'm going to type in ReelShort, and there it is. Press on it, and now it's going to start downloading the mod. So you just have to wait for it to download here, as you can see. Now before it downloads, there will be a verification, so what you have to do is download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. And it's pretty simple. It's like missing files or something that need to be installed, as you can see. So what you can do is watch this video if you're confused, but they have all these apps, and you just have to download 2 of them. So you just press on it and press tap to install, and it will bring you to the Play Store or App Store. I'm on an Android, so it brought me to the Play Store, and then you just download them and follow instructions. Like you can see, this one's like reach 30 seconds of use. This one's, they're all different, but just do it and you should be all set. I'll see you guys later, but that's how to get the ReelShort mod onto your device so you can get free coins. It is fully working, guys. Super cool. So yeah, I mean, if you get involved in this, you will be really happy because you can get free ReelShort Coins. It is super epic and it fully works. So enjoy the video, guys. I haven't had any problems with this at all, so I think it's going to work for you guys if you're staying true to the download, and you should be all set. So I will see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super awesome, and it totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely share it. We need to tell more people about this. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.